nuclear stations. Umugambi w'ensi n'abasani baye nabwato busibole gocha agorogore muga gaje nyombaga ararororo amenyo aragerega kira lituko aronyore getande sakurara era talega jitiro chita kwa n'abantu bedo nyanda geto that is it ekeko era onde tayo tokani no n'abantu baye ba UDA kumuranye nyimutaye tocha komenya gusi inunchi momenyega mugambe n'abantu baito ngora lakini mubaza kuita abantu baito here is not acceptable akumuki abana b'abantu obatumenga bachiko salime sangikano y'abantu elinde bachiko itoro ekiri ngento tanyale witu bere nasi nenda abantu baito bakusindo takitwara n'abantu abangora n'amasikani ende to lakini ngo chiko salime sangikano y'abantu nende tikande by'abana b'aminto bali n'abantu abakugamba tata ngainia tumio bongo bwa ngainia engi ya jinde gatenari kabwati sanu kujiembera imekabekera nguno mola maraba tako teneneze bendore serikali inoroche zerochi tako ngainia that's what I'm telling you ngainia aya bantu bakotomoje kutuma abantu bamintoje kuita abantu ino abumbali bantu benginto nje message yane sabana baminto na ina abana baminto na inde to banjete stoli ko barama na ke kwarande moko randa liko ramonde iko to banjete na abana baminto bale to ko basikeze gasi bakora na umbaka bwati zaba ujawo kole ndeba bakora lakini ngo basarora kamuranje ngainia ya tule karuo Osoro notali boy abere ya tule karuo ya zaba siseni na ina bantu baminto bagusi nkwana iga abasanga bakizangi abana batari na abakire mbuya mono esa masikani mu atoroki no kwanja niyo bonone abana abaminto mora sobora ebonzi seneta n'abacumbe n'abarimo gurye biro tuanje n'ingenje kabire togendie kuziye itoiga nyasaye nabata iritora abantu baite ngenje kabire ngamne no morembe tali uko nakubeta n'ebitengenje na ine ndo basonye koramarama tokoro morembe tokora masikani tubeka bagusiba ito bonzi byamo nene nkwane ngendukibo bizingi goji gante bozi nkwane rugerio ndata iko igende kitokoliye abagusito ikerega ali abantu bande bale tonyore njira zo kwanyira abantu baito tokoliye njira yo kwikari tonyore njira yo kwanyira abantu baito ne n'abantu baito tokolera ne kana tokolera abantu baito tokugenda izukoliye abantu baito tokolera abantu baito mubasa go chocolate mangana yande ngainia ekurate anene ngaki abantu baminto karagendo kie ngainia ese moko banyora tebi abana bali baminto baroronga kitatu ndane ngainia ya she will join us. She's coming back today. There are events around that. We hope that by God's grace she will be able to join us later today as we go to the second day. Thirdly, I want to sincerely thank the leaders of the Busi region, the ones who have been here. We have a strong team, technical committee, first of all, coordinated by the Honorable Janet Mira and a huge number of leaders across the board who have planned and worked with us jointly together with our colleagues in the United Alternative Government to stage this tour and this visit. And we are very grateful for the work that you've done and will continue to do. Together with the aspirants and the others who have been involved in this, we want to tell our grassroots leaders that we are totally together, we hear them and we will continue to work with them as we engage with our people. I want to say thank you to our elected leaders, our two senators, the Senator of Nyamira, the Honorable Komugeni, the Senator of Kisi, the Honorable Richard Onoka, who are essentially the co-hosts of this tour as we have been moving around and the work that they have done. Together with the elected members of Parliament and their colleagues, because you see, we have a lot of elected leaders from the rest of the country who have had time to be here. We saw yesterday the senators who are here, Senator Metu is here today, and a number of others, honorable members of Parliament who we are going to introduce. You will see them here, and the others. We are very grateful that you have enough time to be with us as we moved around and as we engage in this part of our country. I'm grateful to the party leaders. All our parties are in the United Alternative Government. We have national officials of the DCP, we have national officials of Jubilee, we have national officials of WIPA, national officials of PLP, and we have national officials of PNU and many other parties that are here. The party leaders of PDP and the party leaders of Kenya Social Congress. We have national officials of DP who are, and the DAPK, sorry, who are here. I'm sorry, Mheshimiwa. We have national officials of DAPK who are here working with us. Party leader is here, and Honorable Matiang'I yesterday. Finally, I need to say before we start off today's press event that Governor George Natembea, who was with us yesterday, is out on a function he needed to have, and he will join us as soon as he finishes the function. So welcome everyone to this press conference by the leaders of the United Alternative Government. We wanted to highlight a number of issues that we think are important for the country to know. So I will start off by saying this. We are here because we want to interact with Kenyans and Wananchi of this part of the country, and also to give hope and assurance to our people, both here and at large in the nation, that we are determined and ready to work together to bring about necessary change to our country. In doing so, we don't have personal grudges with people. We are basically doing what we have to do. We chose democracy as a people, multi-party democracy. What that means is that everyone has an opportunity to engage, and everyone has an opportunity to participate and persuade people along political lines. It is very sad, some of the things that we are seeing here, where people want to use violence as a means of political intimidation and so on. Some of my colleagues are going to again talk about that in some level of detail, but we have to condemn this. This is lower than primitive. 6 decades after independence, we cannot lose lives because we are trying to help certain people survive in their political offices as it is. We need every life. One life is one life too much. Let's ask our leaders. Political differences are fine. We don't have to agree all the time. And when we do not agree, let us execute them with a measure of decency. We don't have to kill people. We don't have to send people and so on. Some of the people that I'm told were involved in this, even young people have been hired and recruited from even outside of Kisii and Nyamira, and then they have been brought in for this particular purpose. How can you turn against your own people? Because I don't understand. I find it difficult to call these people leaders. How can you turn against your own people? How would you want to kill your own people? And there's no crime they have done except that they have expressed a different opinion from yours. So we want to ask our brothers and sisters in leadership, let's be decent people, let's get some work done, let's have a conversation, and let us allow our nation to make a decision on how they want to go. We are confident and we are sure about the things we are saying because we understand this country very well. There is near unanimity in this country, as you saw yesterday, all the way from Narok, Bomet, and all the way. There is near unanimity in this country. Our colleagues in the administration have not performed, they have not delivered on their promises, and it's time for them to do a decent thing. The decent thing is to prepare themselves to go through a democratic process that replaces them, so that Kenya can have a government that they can work with and they can respect. And in saying so, we are not committing crime. We are citizens of this country who love our country. We want our country to succeed. And we want our country to succeed and operate in the framework of efficiency and decency in the manner in which we move forward. So we urge all our leaders, even those who do not agree with us, that is fine. Persuade people. Yesterday when we were in Keroka, and this is the last contextual thing I'm going to say, I said this, that you can actually, even come here and live here. If you want to live among us, we are very welcoming. You can come and live here. And if I may say something small for the